Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're having an adventure. Start your character journey, ready to make your art move. It's easy with Digen's real motion.
I'll be showing you the AI tool that you can use to generate the images you just saw, that is talking AI images. And I will take you by the hand in this video, explain it, show you on the screen how you can sign up. And guess what? You do not need to pay any dime for it. All these tools are free and they give free credits for you to use to generate up to 10 videos in a day. And any credit you do not use for that day is automatically being carried over to the next day. So let's get into it. The name of the AI tool that I'll be introducing to you today is Digen AI. You first head to your App Store or your Play Store, depending if you're using an iPhone or an Android phone. When you get there, type Digen AI. And you see the option. Why is showing open on my phone is because I have the app, but on your own phone it will be showing get or download depending on the version of the phone you're using. Then when you open it, you will see that you do not have any free credits. Just look up there, you see it's 0. You do not have any free credits. All you have to do is to sign up. When you sign up, they give you 300 free credits. So you can create any AI video of your choice. Or you can use your Apple account to sign up, or you can use your Google account. You can simply use your email to sign up. Then look up there now, you can see that as I've signed up, my email address is already showing C, that is Chioma. You can see it, and when you look at the credit spot, you can see that they've credited me. But why you're seeing 200 plus is because I've already used it to create some videos, but they'll give you 300 after signing up. So this is what the interface looks like. The next thing you need to do now is head to Gemini. I use Gemini, ChatGPT, or any other AI tool you feel like to generate the image I want to use for my talking video, because you need an image that you have to make to talk because you're about to create a talking video. So you need an image. It can be an animation, an avatar. You can even use anything you want. But me, I head over to Gemini. I use Nano Banana to generate this image you're seeing right here on the screen. So all I have to do is click on create. When I click on create, you see this button down here, click on it. It will give you option to upload your image. All you have to do is just to click on photo library, depending on the phone you're using. If it's iPhone, you can follow the exact prompt I followed, but if it's an Android phone, just look for where you save the image. When you click on it, you select the particular image you want to make to talk. Allow it to load to 100%. Once it loads to 100%, you look up, you will see the aspect ratio. Mine is automatically showing 16.9, that is YouTube size, because the image I used is already YouTube size, but you can change it to any size you want. 9.16, 4.3, that is even YouTube short size. They're all there. Just choose the one you want. Then you come down here, you will now see talk. When you click on talk, let me test so many voices that are there. Then listen to this voice.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel.
Let me test all the voices, but you need to note something. If you do not want to use the voices already embedded on the app, all you need to do is click on upload and upload any voice you must have generated, and it will be on your phone. So when you click upload, you just upload it. When you upload it, you see this sign showing you that yes, it has been uploaded. You just mark the good. When you mark the good, it will now bring you to the first interface where we started all this. The next thing you need to do is click on prompt. Click on prompt is telling the image what it's supposed to do. If you want your image to dance, just write me if it's a man or a woman image, or if it's cat, or if it's a chicken, whatever is it that you use, just say I want it to dance. But me, I just want it to talk and laugh and make natural gestures. So that is what I'll put on this prompt space. You can type it or you copy it, whichever one works best for you. So when you type your prompt, click on the done button. Then when you click on the done button, it will now bring you back to the interface. When you get back to the interface, when you look at the talk and the prompt, you see that this two has been worked on because they are highlighted. Then the next thing you will do is to generate the video. When you click generate, it will take time. Like mine didn't take up to 60 seconds. Depending on the device you're using, it can take time. So just be patient. Once it generates, it will show you, like mine showed me that video saved successfully. Then you now have to click on download. You see a download button, you click on download. It will automatically save to your device. you now come back and see your work. So look at mine here
Start
now.
your character journey ready to make your art move. It's easy with Digen's real motion. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're having an adventure. Hi everyone, welcome
Listen to
back to
mine.
my
Do you like
channel.
it?
Today we're having an
Okay, I
adventure.
created the woman on Igbo attire and I created the other lady that is a princess or a warrior. I created the both of them. So if you look at my credits, you see that it has reduced and this remaining one will automatically be carried over to the next day. So here you have it, how to create talking AI videos. And this is just me playing around the interface. These are the videos that people already generated. And look at the views, look at the likes, more than 12,000 likes. So just look around, play around it. And that is how to create AI talking video for free. You don't need to subscribe because this particular app, Digen AI, they're so generous with their credits that you can get up to 300 per day. Like immediately you create your account, it starts accumulating for you. So if you don't create every day, the day you want to create, you can create as many as possible. And if you want to create a full scene, maybe you want to create up to an hour scene, all you need to do is just to write your script, write the characters, and you can be creating them and be merging them on InShot or on CapCut. You can just play around this. Digen AI is a must-have app. So I see you on the next one. My name is Chioma. Bye.